how to create a colourful distortion in Affinity Photo using colour channels as well as the Deform filter. The key panels for this go to View, Studio and Channels, as well as Macro, Layers and Snapshots Navigator. They're all very useful. Make certain the layer is selected over in the Layers panel, otherwise Deform filter will not work. Go to the Macro and click the little red button there to record. Then go to Color Channels and click Composite Red. Come up with a little message, Macro Recorder cannot record, just ignore it. Filters, Distort and Deform, and add some pins or handles, whatever you want to call these little dots. And this is in the red channel. You can add multiple ones and then just drag, and you can see as you do that. Now you can also go for, instead of rigid, I'm going to use similarity. And you can see it distorts the image and you can warp it to your heart's content. And you can select different parts of the image to warp. Just drag that down. Depends on what's obviously in the object, in the image. So once you've done that, remember to click apply, otherwise you will lose all of it. Then go to composite green. And again, it'll come up with the same message as before. And then do exactly the same. So filters, you don't have to, but you could use the repeat deform. I don't want to do that. I want to go to distort and use a different deform. And then go for, again, similarity and add some handles or pins, whatever you want to call them. And just distort it again. Just drag that out in different directions. And remember, again, click apply and then go to the blue, composite blue, message appears, and then go to filters and distort and deform. Just add some pins or handles again and just add that and distort that image. Once you're happy with that, I think that's quite nicely distorted. Click apply. Now you've got the recording there. Well, what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to put it back to all of the channels, so they're all now back to normal. That's a key thing, otherwise you'll be working in the blue channel, wondering why things are not working properly. And then stop the macro. So what you can do, you can run it again if you wish. Just click, click. So you can apply it multiple times, and you can see you can distort the image in all kinds of different ways. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.